Welcome back. Tutorial for today. For those of you that are maybe still wondering, how do I make a new level? How do I change everything up in my game? I'm just going to put together a quick tutorial on a simple way to do that. So as you can see right here, I've got my little astronaut game that I worked on previously. And let's see, when I push A, he flies. And my goal is to get him across these platforms. Eventually I'll add fuel restrictions and such, but I get him all the way over here to hook up with his vehicle. And when he gets to his vehicle, that should start the new level. So let's talk about how to do that. All right, you can see my code here, background color, there's my tile map, there's my astronaut, move astronaut with these buttons. Took out up and down, so it just does left and right. Camera follows the sprite. Place astronaut on top of this is where my astronaut will start. If you've had any issue trying to make something start exactly where you wanted it, here's my goal. I called it a goal, and I said it kind of goal, and place goal on top of tile map, so you tell it where it's going to be on the board. And then that's my gravity for my astronaut. So when A button is pressed, he makes a little image of fire coming out of his jetpack, and he flies up. And then when he is released, he goes back to his normal self. All right, so let's say I get to the goal. What do we want to do now to set up a new one? So we will do an on sprite overlap. So I'm going to bring this in right here. So a new set of code. So on sprite of kind, this is my player, because that's the kind of guy he is. And then overlaps goal. Then we want to make a new tile map. So just copy that right there. Come over here and let's change up the tile map. I will go big. Let's go big block and erase all these. Erase all of this. Go back to this. Could have just brought in a new one that would have been blank, but that's okay. All right, so let's go back to my tiles here, and I'm going to put a ground down here. Oh, go back to one block. There we go. Yes, there we go. So we got some ground down there. We're gonna make this a a little bit of a deal. All right, and then let's make some changes here. Actually, you know what? I won't change this. Oh, I like that ground better. You know what? I don't. Hold that. All right, so I got my ground right there for him to walk on, and then we will put some things in his path that he needs to get over. And granted, I should take more time with some of that, but that's okay. That's okay. I'll just do it like this here. Boom. And there we go. All right, and then I tell you what, also we need some background, so let's change this to this right here. And we'll make our background on this one black. There we go. So the background is black now. And now I want to also make a new one of these, so a new goal. And this goal we want to be a little bit different, so I'm going to say a new variable. This will be goal 2. And I'm going to call it goal 2. And I'm going to change it up a little bit. This spaceship he's going to get to is going to be red. Ba-bum. You're right, needs some black accents. Oh, still had it on. Oh, there we go. Come over here. Let's go with some black accents on this one. We'll fill it. Boom. All right, there. New goal. All right. So let's see what happens. Go over here and play our game. Flying, flying. Oh, fly. Fly, little astronaut, fly. And then come to goal. Oh! All right. Oh, but now we just changed the background. And we did not get rid of our last one. So let's go back here and let's say that we want to destroy. That's the goal from the last one. So we're going to destroy that goal. There you go. So now it's going to go away. And we also want to place it in a different place here. Let's see where I want him to start. I want him to start about right. Let's see, 114. All right, so let's say this one 1, and then the 1 4. And we also want to tell it where to do the goal. So we'll get one more of these. And we're going to say goal 2. And where do we want it located? We're going to go here. And you see as I hover over, the little numbers in the bottom left corner change, show you the coordinates. So it's where you want to put it. So I want to put my goal, we'll put it right there at 3713. So come back here, say 3713. All right, now let's watch what happens when we play. All right, moving along, fly, fly, little astronaut, fly. Okay. He's going through these platforms because I didn't put a wall in it. Ah, there he goes. And now we've done. Now, of course, I could do a splash screen that says, "Hey, this is a new level." You know, say level 2. Of course, I need a scoring mechanism, and then I get to the end, and there's my little ship waiting on me. And of course, we could use it to set up a new level. That is one simple way to create a second level with no frills. But you probably want to put a splash screen in to let your player know they hit level 2. Also, keep in mind scoring, things like that. But there it is. Have a great day.